Welcome to Weldline Weekly. I'm Jonathan. I am the Maintenance Facilities Coordinator here at Vector Systems in our McKinney location. I essentially just go around making sure that I keep up all the industrial machinery that we got going on that keeps us building skids out here in Vector Systems and making sure that we are constantly producing quality products. We are starting to see a real movement moving to our Bonham facilities from our McKinney facilities. This transition is going to take a little bit of time. It's happening in phases. We are well established in our McKinney facilities, which is why it's going to take a little bit of time moving to our Bonham facilities. Throughout this movement, we are getting our Bonham facilities established and made ready for all of our big industrial machinery that we need to produce top of the line skids. Just yesterday, I went over there and I installed some new exit signs above the doors. In the event of us having a hazardous fire, we can get everybody evacuated out of our Bonham facilities. Beyond that, we are just moved some of our big, heavier cranes, our 5-ton, our 1-ton, and eventually our 20-ton crane, while we're keeping the production and quality going still here at the McKinney facilities. We are disassembling all of those cranes and all of our heavy machinery and getting them moved over there to our Bonham facilities. But yet we are still gonna give our customers the quality and top of the line product that they expect from our Vector Systems company that we've always done. Built the Vector way no matter where we are.